my house tour. So this is my doll, my all dolls. This is my Shopkins. This is all of the things there. And then right here, all of my things too. Also here my other Shopkins. And you didn't know I lost the key. Oh, there. And guys, don't forget this key belongs here at my 6th birthday. This is my closet. Now I'll show you inside. And then inside there's all of my clothes. I'll tell you about them. And then this one is my sandal. All over my sandal. And my shirt from Snoopy. And then this one is Daddy's boss. I'm gonna wear the tatas here. And then this one is, I don't know what's that. Let's skip. And then this one is the dress I wear if it's my graduation, but not now. And then this one is, if you crumble it, it will like be wavy. I don't know what that means. And then this one is the dress. It's all pink. And then this one is the striped one. And then this one. And then this is one from Tita F. I didn't wear it yet. I just tried. And this is my kitty dress. Here's my butter. And then here's my bow dress. My strawberry dress. And then my hearts dress. And then never mind. Just move on here.
How about
this
that
is
one?
my teenager. What? There. This is my teenager dress. And this is Ate Rafi's dress. I'm about to use it, but no. And then this is my Elsa dress. And then this is my what you call it again? Oh yeah, my Jesus Christ at December 18 at 2018. And this is the back teenager dress. Then this is I wear at oh yeah, Lolo's Libeng. And then also Lola Guado, also baby Samsung. Also which is so hot. It's also at my graduation at 2019. It's at June 6th. Then this my Ate Ashley's debut I wear, but everything black. And then me and Ate Rafi are twins. And yeah, let's close this. Oh yeah. And then this is all my shirts and shorts and everything. And then this is my underwear. And then my socks. And then my hankies. And this is all of my things I need for my birthday. Let's close it. Don't go to that. That's so messy. That's a messy closet. And then here is my bed, but I'm not. Oh, I forgot. Let's move on to the bathroom. And then here is our toothbrush, and here's our mouthwash, and then this is soap. This is the faucet, and then this is the soap we use for our face. This is my tie. I always take it off and then put it here. And then this is the soap, or I don't know, or shampoo. And this one is the oh, it's for the body. You put it and then you put it at your body and you wash it. And then this one is the other one, and then this one, I don't know. Just and then this is the shampoo, and there's also pearls, and then it's also free gems. If you take this off, it will be gem. And then as a body soap, and this is 2 candles, and then this one, if you turn it on, it will smell good here. And then that is the soap for hands and see? Please? Perfect. The next, this is the heater, and then this is the shower, and then that's the soap, and then